Hello, Dakota State students. Today we're going to talk about how to find your DegreeWorks and what DegreeWorks really is. So the first thing that you need to do is get to your My DSU portal. You can get to your portal by going to mydsu.dsu.edu. Once at this site, you'll click Log in to My DSU portal. Once in your portal, you'll notice your upcoming events, your quick links, and halfway through the page, you'll see where it says Snap Self-Service Banner. You will then click here. The next page, you will click on Student Registration. This will bring you to your registration page. It's important that you click on View Registration Information. This will engage your material to be inside of the platform. After you do that, you can go to the top left corner and click on the 4 squares next to the name Illusion. Once here, you'll click on Banner, Student Links, My Academic Information. At this point, at the very bottom, you can click on DegreeWorks. DegreeWorks is best summed up as your institutional degree audit. You're going to find information in your DegreeWorks that will help you to maintain and know that you're completing the courses required for your program or your minor. You'll also know what your overall GPA is, what catalog that you're in. You can see your progress towards your degree, what classification you are. So if you're a junior or a senior or a sophomore, that'll all be listed on this page. You'll notice a lot of this information is in the first portion of this degree audit or your worksheet. And then as you scroll down, you'll continue to see more information, including that degree progress, how close you are to completing the requirements, and your GPA. Additionally, you'll notice that you'll tell you what your degree that you're in. It'll tell you how many credits are required for your program. At DSU, every program requires a minimum of 120 total credits to graduate. It'll tell you how many credits so far that you've achieved and what catalog year you're in. Catalog year determines what courses you're required to complete for your program. As you continue to scroll down, you will see circles that are either red, green, or blue. If you have a red circle, it means that this requirement is not complete. If you have a green circle, it means that requirement is complete. And if you have a blue circle, it means that these requirements are in progress. So for instance, on this degree, it's telling me that I have not yet completed 120 total credits. I can see here that I have completed 79 total credits, and I have a minimum of 41 credits left to complete to reach my 120 total credits. I've earned my minimum credits needed from DSU. This is a requirement that you might not be aware of, but each one of us is required to complete a certain number of credits from DSU. 50% of our credits should come from our university, as well as 15 of the last 30 if I'm pursuing a bachelor's degree. It also tells me that I need to have a minimum 2.0 GPA for institutional and for an overall. This also tells me if I've completed all my general education requirements and my major requirements. So as you can see here, I have not completed my general education requirements or my major requirements. What happens is as you continue to scroll down, you can see specifically, for instance, this will be our general education, what you've completed and what you haven't. So in this profile, I can see that I've completed all of goal 1 and 2. I have not completed goal 3. I can see I have one class completed, and I'm currently enrolled in one class. I can also see that for this goal, I have not yet completed these requirements. I have taken one course, and I still need to register for another. Goal 5 is completed, and goal 6, I still need to choose one additional class for this level. One other thing that you'll notice is when a goal says that it's not yet completed, and then it says choose from one of the following, it'll tell you what courses that are eligible in each one of these areas. So for instance, in this goal 6, natural science, I could choose from any one of these electives. When I open up the course, It will tell me if there are any prerequisites for the course, and those would be listed right here where it says attributes. There would also be a prerequisite. So if I needed to have, say, a math course or a different science course first, it would tell me what that is. So I would know if I would be eligible to take the course or not. So that's our general education section. As a reminder, DSU requires you to have approximately 30 credits from your general education. As you continue down your form, it then will change you to your DSU major. It will tell you how many credits are required for the major. Remember, every degree is required 120 total credits, and how many credits that you so far have applied to your program. It'll give you the same circles, whether they're red, green, or blue. And inside of those circles, it will tell you more information about each one of these areas. As you pursue down, your core requirements will be listed, and it will tell you your grade that you've received, or if you're currently registered for the course, or if you still need the course. If you still need the course, you can use this document to kind of plan when you might take it or read what your prerequisites are. And it will go through the entire program requirements so you can see exactly what you need. If you have an area like this that says choose 3 CIS courses, it will then tell you what areas or what courses might be eligible for you to take. And again, you can read about prerequisites and what you need for those courses right in there. It will also tell you if you need an exit exam. So your DegreeWorks plan is really an audit to see how far you are in your degree and what else that you have left to complete. You should pair your degree audit with your plan of study, and you can get your plan of study off the DSU website or from your advisor. If you have any questions about your program, your DegreeWorks, classes that you transferred in, your plan of study, I just very much encourage you to reach out to your advisor and work with them. But hopefully this is a wonderful tool that you can use to help dissect what you need left for your degree.